Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach about the UI UX designs. So UI UX design is very essential stuff for in order to making the mobile application or web design. So we have to show the customer this how your website look like. Okay, this is show the customer this is your mobile app look like. So they're very simple way. Right? So instead of starting from scratch, you have to you have to go to the respective tool which is a Figma. By online you have to type Figma on Google search, press enter key. After that you can click on it and you can log in via your Gmail account. After that you can get into the screen. The screen you can see there is a community. Click on it. Okay, rather than you have to starting from the scratch, simple way to you have to starting the work. Go to the community and you have to go to the community search. You have to type the template which is I'm going to do the website design for my business. It's just business. Okay, so the search bar you have to put it the business website. You just put it. So that what is the now I can see there are a lot of websites still loading because my internet getting a little bit slow, that's why it takes some time to loading. So you can see when you type the business website your business templates are there. So you can use one of these and you can modify it according to your customer requirement. That is very simple way to making the template UI design, because rather than you're starting from the scratch, it's very it takes too much of time to complete it. So here there are plenty of designings are there. You can get one of these. So let's go for this. Click on it. Now you can see the design how it will look like this way. So I'm going to open on Figma. You click on it, that button. It goes to the new tab to open on Figma to your website. That web design. Okay, so here you can see now it's loading from Figma. You have to wait until loading successful. This depend on the internet connection. My internet connection is little bit slow, that's why. Okay, now you're getting the page design look like this. Now you can move your cursor over here. On your left side there is a label. Here this is a electronic cover, that is the name. So click on it, everything you can see this is a logo, everything is there. Now if you click on, you will be able to select this one. This is your pages. Click on the pages. You can see all the pages. These are the pages of the page. This is a landing page. This is about us. So all the pages will be able to stick. See. Now I am going to hold on the. So you have to click on it. Hold on the control key down and click plus the control key and scroll on your mouse wheel. You will be able to see the landing page design. This is designs. Now here this design you will be able to edit. These all things you will be able to do. Here the extra they are giving that card and everything. If you want, you can this all things you can place it over here. Okay, so here everything are there. Now if you want to do the image design and you have to place it over here successfully. Okay, so here if you want to, here you can show simple, you have to show to the customers. So what are there? You have to put it here this logo. So this logo with just this logo we don't need them, so we have to instead of this logo we have to place into your lower logo, your company logo. And this is the sample template. According to the template you will be able to modify rather than going to the new design. It is everything. So this is the image, we don't need them. This image we have to here right click, ungroup it. Here this image, here this one here you can see here this image, this all things. Okay, so simply you get it, right? Simple way. Okay, so very simple, we are getting this one. Okay, that's how we have to do it. Okay, so this is the here, this you will be able to edit this all the contents whatever you need. Okay, that's why we have a very simple way to do the UI UX design part. Don't start from the scratch, that is take too much of time to complete it. Okay, here here this is if you want to color change the button color, you click on it Here there is a color palette on your left side. Here you will be able to change the color whatever you need. So I'm going to want to change this red color. It's possible here. Color is must, so I'm going to make it as a blue because this website is go the color along with the blue. So don't change the color. Okay, don't change the color. The what is the color your website, the according the matching color you must select it. Okay, this go along with this website all the blue. If you want to go red, you can, this all things are navigation bar, everything you have to change it as a red. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Okay, the simple stuff. So here simply you have to change the image. So you have to just delete that image and you have to paste your own image. Okay, what is the image you would you like to design, and you can place it. That's a simple way you have to do it. Okay, so simply you have to here if you want to the same this kind of image, if you want to design, so here click on it. Here what is the size? Here this is the pixel. According to the pixel you design and drag it over here and show to the customer. Okay, this is okay. So this is very important when you are making the HTML CSS style design. Okay, look at this design. They are going to make the website, so that we have to create the this design very professional way. Then only they will be able to done their works properly. Okay, that is very must. Okay, that is keep in your hand. UI UX design, where always consider about this all the things. Okay, so how the design look like. Every time they are concerned about that what the customer need. Okay, the entire website keep in your hand. What you think, you just implement that as a design look like this. This design the developer will be convert as to the website. Okay, they're going to code it, but the idea is yours. You have to put into your ideas. Your creativity ideas belongs to the UI UX design. Okay, so that this logo this logo I'm going to remove it. Instead of that, I'm going to put into the customer client logo. Okay, here these are the addresses. We have to change it as something. I don't need this one, so I want to only I need this one. All things I just remove it. Imagine you have to remove it. I need this links. So how to do the links? Links mean you have to write it this one. If this anything go wrong, Control Z to undo it. Click on it. You have to type it home. Okay, home. You have little bit space. So space mean you have to select this one. Space bar, you have to guarantee the space look like this. So you have to write about us. You have to space it, services, contact us, like this. Now you can arrange the here things. Okay, this is your text. You just arrange like this. Okay, this how you have to do that design. It's a very professional way to you have to do it. Okay, so this is the spaces and everything you have to consider about the spaces and everything you have to. Here this is the spaces alignment, all things you have to consider. Okay, letter spacing, you have to consider letter spacing. Okay, everything you have to consider about here. Here letter spaces also you can consider about here. Okay, so like this you can simply you have to do it. Okay, simple way. Right, so it's very simple. Okay, if you want to, this is a button, I want to change it as a book now. We'll be able to change book now. I want to be the, we have to do the background color. You have to give the background color as well. Okay, this has a part fill color. So to make it as a background color, something little bit blue. The text color I want to change it as a, for the this is fill color. Okay, this fill color means this flag fill color is a color. We have to change it as a. Okay, if you want to change it as a, click on it this button. I want to change it as a border. So how would be changed as a border color? So this stroke. I want to change it as a border. So the stroke. Here this one radius. You have to it is as a 20% here. Radius also we have to arrange it. All on the control key down and zoom out. Here you can simply have it this design. Okay, very simple. Here you have to put in your own logo over here. So here we want to, we don't need this one, this menu. You will be able to remove it. I have already had that here. Okay, so here we have to, if you want, you have to remove it over here. Sorry, not this one. If you want to feel to remove it. But simply we have to do the design like this. Okay, this is very fine. So this is how we have made the design. Okay, if you have put the logo here, it's very professional. You have to put it some of the logo here. So like this, I am going to something text classic, something like that. Okay, here now here this logo, so I'm going to change it as this one, robots, something like that. Is this one. You have to increase the size a little bit. Hold on, let's zoom a little bit, zoom it. Color you have tried it as a blue. Here 30. Okay, so if you have a symbol already have a logo, you can write it, put it here, that is good. Okay, so I just put it like this. So this how we have make the simple websites. Okay, don't worry, don't bother about simple way to, we have to create this all the things. This all things we have to select all, hold on the shift key down and move the keyboard up arrow key. Move the, press the keyboard up arrow key. Okay, so that it will be go above. Simple way we have to do the things. Okay, this is the same like this way. According to your customer requirements, you have to remove this image. Instead of you have to paste on the image. So all things we have to do it. This is very simply we have to do the web template. You have to edit the web template for the customer requirements. Thank you for watching.